Hello everyone, this is Carol. I'm back to share another journal with you and my creative thoughts. This is a design team project for Studio 28E, and the kit I have chosen is the Shabby Chic series in the yellow and green. And I love what Sherry has done with this kit. I have used just a ribbon organza closure. The front is a image from the kit. I put lace on the back. It's a sewn-in signature, one signature, and I've used the other side of the image. These are pages in the journal, and I love this page, so that's what I have used. This is a soft cover. I've sewn zigzagged around the edges as well as the edges of all the pages in the journal. This is 8 3/4 inches by 6 inches with the 1-inch spine. Has 60 pages both sides. We'll go in, and inside I have, this is a little book plate that Sherry designed a while back and gave us as a freebie, so I have used that little book plate this book belongs to and put it on a corner pocket there, and I need to put something in that pocket, so there will be something in there when I'm finished here. This is, again, that same front page that I have talked about, and you'll see throughout the book that I did love this page. I have made a ghost pocket, as Carol Tinson does in a lot of her journals, and I have made a journal page out of that. And then it goes right in there and looks as if it is part of the pocket, kind of a secret page. Inside then is a little journaling page I've used. I sewed paper on the back of that same page and folded it and put it in the pocket for writing, more writing space for. The next page is again from the kit. I've added a recollection flower, and I put some little flat back gems on there in kind of the gold color. This is this is from the kit. This is a tag from the kit. I've added a bow. And this is an image from the kit. And it is also, I've made it a pocket. And there needs to go, I didn't put anything, I didn't fill all of these pockets, but I will put something in the ones that are not in there. I don't know why I didn't do that one, but there is a pocket there. And then there's another pocket here that I have paper in for more writing. So that's a double pocket there. Then, as we go on, I've stamped and embossed, heat embossed with gold, the little flowers. And I've done this throughout the book with various images. Put the little gems in the middle of the flower. Another more writing. Here's another page from the kit. I have fussy cut. I cut 2 of them out, fussy cut around the teapot and made it a pocket. And there is another image from the kit, or journaling card. And there's, of course, writing there. I've added Hobby Lobby lace here, just for decoration. That is not a tuck spot. Writing, and this is in the kit, the lined paper, and as well as this, and I printed both sides so that it would be able to be used on as writing paper. And there's another little embossed teacup, heat embossed with gold. And here is some paper to write on, of course. And there is a doily that I've heat embossed, the bird image with the branches there in the gold. And that showed through, and I kind of like that. I was going to cover it, and I thought, oh no, that's good. I'll leave that there. It almost looks stamped rather than heat embossed from the other side. Here is another image from the kit. I fussy cut around those cups, made a pocket out of them. And there's a card on the back, or a journaling card. And this is another page from the kit that I've made. I printed that on coffee dyed paper and gave you some more writing space there. Then here's a little kind of a fourth page that I did. I saw someone do that, and I believe it was Carol Tinson. I just did that 30-day challenge, and I've used a lot of those ideas in my journals lately. That is a wonderful, there were wonderful ideas in there. This is a little pocket from the kit and another journaling card, and that fits right in there. More writing space, a Martha Stewart flower. Here is a page from the kit, and I made it into a journaling card. And this is the K & Company little stickers. I had that in my stash, and it had a little a tag in there that went perfect with this kit. So I thought, I'll use that. More Martha Stewart flowers. I hate to run out of those, and we're not going to be able to get them anymore. I've left a lot of the pages blank because I just like to do that in my journals for just plain writing space, and there's nothing there to camouflage your writing, what you want to write. There is another journaling card from the kit. This is from another one of, I believe this was Flower Children, Sherry's kit, and I liked that. I had printed it out, and I thought, oh, that would be great in this kit because of the color. So I made that some journaling space, and as well as this is paper I had in my stash, and it had the roses on it, and I thought that went well with this book, so I put that in there for more journaling. This is in the kit. I made a pocket out of that. And again, more writing space. This is in the kit, and I thought that was so cute. Sherry did a really good job on her images in this kit. There's just, and the colors just all flow. It's really a good one. And then I glued that to the top, sewed around the edges and zigzag, and there is some private writing space. And of course there's vintage song sheet. There's another little image from the kit, journaling card, and here's a little envelope she's done. And I put glossy accents on the balloons. I believe those are balloons. No, they're beads. I put glossy accents on them to kind of give them a little flair. And then again, here is paper from the kit, and I have made it into journaling space. I printed that out on coffee dyed paper. This is also a page from the kit. I printed it twice, made a pocket, and then I tried to use all of the little things that I had extras. You'll see it elsewhere in the journal. So there's lots of things that can be done with these pages. Then there's coffee dyed paper. This is vellum that I printed on. The butterflies, that's in the kit. Here's another lined page in the kit, as well as this. You saw that in the more in the front in one of the pockets with as writing paper. And then here's some more paper from my stash, that same rose. This is from one of those journals that you buy at Tuesday mornings. And so I took it apart because I love the roses and the little postmark on there. And I thought, oh, that'll be great for my journals for extra writing space. Then, of course, I used a Martha Stewart punch on it. This is another little corner I made from an image from the kit. And here is, I reinforced this with some washi tape because I just didn't like the way it was in there, so I just did some reinforcement. I took a page from the kit here, made an envelope of my own, and then there's some writing paper inside. And I did the little Recollections flower and a punch I used underneath that for the closure. And there's more writing paper, the lined paper from the kit, as is this. There's the other side of that vellum. Here is another journaling card or tag from the kit, and there's another one of those from that Flower Children kit that Sherry has designed. And this is paper from the kit that I cut again, added some lace and some gems, and made tuck spots. This is also a tuck spot on the top. And more writing space, the other side of the vintage song sheet. And this is more writing paper from that journal I told you about. And there's a flower that is a Recollections flower on a doily, coffee dyed doily, as a tuck spot. Here's more, another piece of that paper. I love this. I told you you would see it throughout because I love this background page so much. I've added little flowers here and the little gems, and then some trim. This came in the kit, and I added that and sewed around it in zigzag. This is an envelope, one of those envelopes you get in the mail and a bill, and I made, there's a tuck spot here, and a tuck spot here, and one here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 tuck spots out of that one envelope, and it's Gail that does that, and Patricia. Oh, and I cannot think of her last name, but I know you, Viramontes. Yes, Viramontes. I believe she does those also. And here is another journaling card from the kit. Here's a ticket from the kit with a one of those birds with the big feathers. Can't think of it. Okay. And then here is another card from the kit. Journaling card. And this is just an index card that I've added lace to and coffee dyed and sewed the lace on top. And then this is from the kit. It's a belly band. I've made it a tuck spot, added a flower, a Recollections flower. And then here's a little booklet that I made, and that too is paper from the kit. This was paper from the kit that I fussy cut from. I added the word notes and made this little booklet. And that fits right in there. This is paper from the kit, and I added some lace, and I just liked that so much. I thought, I'm not covering that with anything because it just would take away from it. So I put that on that page. Here is more paper from the kit. I put a little, can't think of what those things, brad. I put a little brad in there, and you can turn it around, and then it also has lines on it on this piece and here on the kit, and I put some trim there. And that makes just a unique little journaling card. And there again is that paper that I have made a tuck spot from, put a Martha Stewart punch on the edge and did a corner spot. There's another paper from the kit and that I made a corner spot with, and I added a little button with some thread in it. And there's another one of those coffee dyed index cards with Martha Stewart trim punch. This is a decoupage doily. And then you can write on the other side of that. And here is another card from the kit. And I've made, these are the corner tuck spots that are in the kit. I've added some lace and a flower with a little gem on there to decorate it. And there's my coffee dyed paper. Here's more lined paper from the kit. And these are feathers. I thought with the feathers in her hat, and I'd put feathers down here that are gold embossed, heat embossed in gold. And this is a little tuck spot that I made that it also is a place to write. This is paper from my stash. I added lace and gems, and then took some more of the paper and just made another little place for extra writing. More little private area to write. And there's more paper, plain paper from the kit. This is a journaling card from the kit, if I can think of my words. And then here's just paper that I had that was coffee dyed, and I thought, oh, that would be pretty, and I edged it with the Martha Stewart punch. I coffee dyed it with a doily on it, so that's a little decorative there. Made another one of those little corners with that magic, I think it's the Magic 8 punch, Crazy 8, something like that punch. And I put some cheesecloth under this Recollections flower for decoration. And here is another page from the kit. I loved this page. So again, I cut part of it off, made a pocket, edged it with a Martha Stewart punch. There is a ticket from the kit. And there is more paper that I've done for writing. This is from the kit. And this is the page that has the flowers on it. You saw a tag further back that or a tuck spot that I fussy cut these flowers out. And this time I put a bow around it and then put it in the kit. And this should have something in it. Oh my, I have really been bad today. I need to put some more paper in some of these little spots, and I will do that. And then here is another, this is from the kit, and I've made a journaling card out of it. And there is that tag again that's in the kit, and it has I have covered that with that paper and made it there's the pocket. And again, here's my little, this is paper from the kit that I made an envelope from, and this is the card that I put in with my information that goes with every one of my journals, and I sign it. And that goes in that little tuck spot. And that ends this video and shows this journal. Make sure that you stop by Sherry's Etsy shop. It is Studio 28E. She has some lovely kits that she's doing, and she just works really hard on them and has lots of different themed kits. And so make sure you stop by and check her out, and hopefully you'll like some and want to use them yourself in a journal. And again, I thank you so much for visiting my website or my YouTube channel. And I hope you liked this journal. And if you did, put a like, and hopefully you'll subscribe. And I thank you for taking the time to watch. And all of your comments have meant so much, and I do thank you for them.